Ready to turn your TikTok scrolling into cold, hard cash? First, head over to Temu. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and easy. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page and look for affiliate program, usually in the About Temu or Customer Service section. Click on it. This will take you to the affiliate program page. Hit sign up or join now. You'll need to fill out the application form with your details. Be honest and accurate, as this information is important for getting approved. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find your unique affiliate link, which is what you'll use to earn commissions. You can usually generate specific links for individual products. To look for a get link or generate affiliate link button on the product page itself. This is great for targeting specific items in your TikToks. Now, let's get that link on TikTok. The easiest place is your bio. Go to your profile and tap edit profile, then paste your affiliate link into the website or bio section. You can also add your link to your TikTok captions, but remember, TikTok doesn't allow clickable links in captions. You'll need to tell your viewers to copy and paste the link from the caption or direct them to the link in your bio. Finally, verbally mention the link in your videos. Something like check out the link in my bio to get yours. Goes a long way. Now, go out there and start earning.